everyone, and welcome back to Nice Travel TV. Did you know that one of the oldest churches in Camarines Sur has survived floods, revolutions, court battles, and powerful typhoons for nearly 3 centuries? The church was founded by Franciscan missionaries in 1734. It officially became a parish in 1764. Lagonoy was once the center of a vast territory known as Partido de Lagonoy. Several towns, including Tigong, Goa, San Jose, and Presentation, were originally part of its jurisdiction. The first stone church was completed in 1768. However, it was destroyed by a massive flood. The fall text today, only the ruins of its old bell tower remain. The present church was later built in Santa Maria and continues to stand as a symbol of faith and resilience. Lagonoy also played an important role in Philippine religious history during the rise of the Iglesia Filipina Independiente. After a historic court battle, the church was returned to Roman Catholic authorities. Despite being damaged by Typhoon Harriet in 1960, the church was restored and preserved. Today, Lagonoy Church remains one of the most important religious and historical landmarks in Camarines Sur. Join me as we explore its rich history and enduring legacy. Enjoy and keep watching!